Back pain, neck stiffness, slip disc, scoliosis. These words can be scary, right? But what if I told you that understanding spine health doesn't have to be so complicated? Hi, I'm Dr. Arvind G Kulkarni. I'm a consultant spine surgeon at Mumbai Spine, Scoliosis and Disc Replacement Centre, and I operate at Breach Candy, Bombay, Saifi and HN Reliance Hospitals, Mumbai. I've dedicated my career to help people overcome spine-related issues and lead pain-free lives. I've trained at some of the world's top spine centers, performed thousands of successful surgeries, and worked on groundbreaking treatments in minimally invasive spine surgery and artificial disc replacement. This channel is designed to be your go-to source for all things related to spine health. We'll break down complex medical topics into simple, easy to understand information. Whether you are dealing with chronic back pain, curious about treatment options, or simply want to learn how to keep your spine healthy, this is your channel. Here, I'll be sharing insights on common spine conditions, myths versus facts, prevention tips, latest advancements in spine treatments, and much more. And of course, I'll be answering the most common questions I get from my patients. So if there's something on your mind, drop a comment. If you or someone you know is struggling from spine related issues, hit that subscribe button and share this channel with them. Let's build a community where we spread awareness and empower people to take control of their spine health. I'm excited to start this journey with you. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.